Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So guess what guys, today we will show you Centurion, in case you guys are thinking about moving there. Again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Okay, you guys can see on the way to Centurion. Okay guys, let's talk about Centurion. We are on our way there. It's located in between Midrand, right? Very close to Midrand and in between Santon and Pretoria. Lots of developments. We got the rail train, you know. Where the rail train goes, there is a corridor of crazy development. We got the metro rail also. Got lots of malls, lots of business parks. A very interesting area that I must say that must be seen in a way of talking from investor to investor, right? If I want to buy a house there, what is that interesting for me to move there? You know what I mean? So probably Centurion is one of the best areas to move in Gauteng. It's close to everything, next to the highway. If you don't have a car, you can use the rail train. We got buses everywhere. It's a very cosmopolitan area, but again, when you buy a house in this area or you move to a place like this, you always tend to buy what? The concept, right? What is Centurion? And that's what we're going to try to give you on this video. This one is Irene Link. Seems like that the whole project will cost 2 billion rand. Okay, so this is Castlegate, and the total investment on this project will be around 6 billion rand. life.
my face.
Okay guys, so this is the back of the Centurion Mall and this is the lake. This is a project that reminds me what we had like a decade ago in Broma. The bridge there also. You guys can see it there. And this is very close to the Centurion Rail train station. It's just the lake has been a little bit neglected. It's a really nice trim and clean, but still very nice. A lot of potential. Well, the idea to create the ecosystem is like it's here. It's beautiful. You got the animals, you got the birds. This really needs to be cleaned. So we really need to do something. It's basically the promenade, I guess. Yeah, but I was expecting a higher standard on this, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is when you guys are cleaning this place, just call me, okay? So we can cover the cleaning of this place. It's probably it was a lot of rain and all that, but I don't know. It's not acceptable to see this area like this. Seriously, this is beautiful, and it doesn't deserve to look like this. Should look like a hand as a glove. You guys can see a lot of complexes. As you guys can bring the family also. Basically it, and then you got farms and animals to see. Okay guys, that's it. There is more to walk, but again, for time's sake, we need to be quick on this one, because I want you guys to have an idea about Centurion. Okay guys, visit this place if you didn't. Okay, by the way, this is an hotel. You guys can see all the rooms have a stunning view to the lagoon. So you just eat something or stay here. Very chillaxed. So a huge golf course. More business parks. You can see the road train buses are basically everywhere. Stunning, eh? Another interesting estate here is called Centurion Residential. So it's quite interesting. There you go guys, it's done! Basically guys, this is why I say that Centurion is a sleepy giant, very next to Midrand and in between Centurion and Pretoria. You guys just follow the monies, follow the developments, and you will see that you have a beautiful, let's say, investment in the pocket for the next 20 years. All is developing. Again guys, make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button, and I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.